How to create videos with free AI, guys, with amazing quality. I'm going to show you how right now. Here I am on Gerok, okay? You can access gerok.com through Google. It's completely free. Here on Gerok, you can simply click on this tool here, Imagine. Just click. Once you click, you'll come to this page here. On this page, all you have to do is click where the image appears. Just click. Here, choose the video format and also select the aspect ratio. For example, if it's for Reels or if it's a video for YouTube, you should use this format here, 16:9. Just click on it. Notice that it's still set to image here, so I'll click again and select video. And it's very simple. You just need to enter the prompt for the video you want to generate. I'll enter a prompt here. Done. I'm asking it here to create a short 8-second animated video. Now I'll click to send it. It's really quick, guys. The video will be generated, and as I told you, it's completely free. There are also paid plans if you want, but you can easily use the tool for free and create an endless number of videos, okay? In this case, it's in the format I chose, which was 16:9, YouTube. If it were for Reels, I could have selected that too. There you go, it's already been generated. As you can see, the video quality is amazing. It all depends on the prompt you enter. Below here, you have the option to download. By clicking here, you'll go to the downloads page, and if you want, you can adapt this command. If you didn't like any image here, you can simply edit the command. I'm going to delete it and enter another prompt now. I've entered the new command here. It's being generated, and it will be ready quickly. You access Gerok through Google, okay? You can log in with your Google account, your Twitter account, or with email. It's very simple, and you don't have to pay anything if you don't want to. If you want more features, you can pay, but if your goal is to create AI videos completely for free, you can do it just like I'm doing here without any subscription, okay? You need to make adjustments like I told you before. I can edit this command here by changing what I wrote, okay? If I want to put a woman in the scene anyway, it's up to you. This is the easiest way for you to create a video. It's through Gerok. Once you've logged into Gerok with Google, just come here to Imagine, click, and then simply type what you want to imagine and the video will be created.